Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create web API project and SQL Server database and then last entity data model for this web API project. Okay, let's start. First click on new project, then select web under Visual C Sharp, then select ASP.NET Web Application, then here name your project school management. Okay, here you can change your location of this project. Okay, click OK. Here select web API and keep it other options as it is. Click on OK. Okay, now see here our new web API project is school management created successfully. Then go to the SQL Server Management Studio to create a new database. Right click on databases, select new database and name your database name here school management. Click on OK. Okay, see here our new database created. Then to create a table, right click on tables, new table. Here ID, its data type int, student code, varchar 50, first name, varchar 50, last name, varchar 50. Here in ID column, I am setting as primary key. Right click, set primary key, and want to set the same column as identity. Okay, in column properties, select identity specific, expand this identity specification, then click is identity as select yes. It means this ID will increment by 1 whenever we are inserting the new record. Okay. Now let's save this table. Press Ctrl plus S. So give the name to the table. See here that student table created. Okay. Now need to create ADO.NET entity data model for this table. For that in API project, right click on models folder, click add, then new item. Here under Visual C Sharp, select data. Here ADO.NET entity data model. Here DB models. Click add. Here select EF designer from database. Click on next. Here select new connection. Here mention your server name. I am in local, for that I put a dot. Okay, select a database here, school management. Then click OK. Okay, here name the class of object to interact with this database. DB model. Click on next. Here we have to select the database objects. Okay, select the table name, then hit the finish button. Okay, now see here under this models folder, you can see here the student.cs file. Click on. Okay, here the properties of correspondent to the table are created here. We will use this class student for this controllers. In our next video, we will discuss how to create controllers and how to use that controllers. Okay, okay. Let's run this project. It will open in by default browser. See here, the web API URL is localhost colon and a 5-digit number. This is the port number. Okay, see here, our newly created web API project successfully ran. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel.